Macaws are very pretty birds. They are the largest member of the parrot family and have brightly colored blue, yellow, red, and green feathers. This helps them hide amongst the trees, fruits, and flowers in the rainforest that they live in. And since they are very loud, there's no doubt you will hear a macaw before you actually see it. They are very social and live in flocks that have between 30 and 100 individual birds. Can you imagine how loud 100 macaws would be if they were all squawking at the same time? They have large beaks that are very strong enough to crack open tough nuts and seeds. And their dry, scaly tongues have a bone inside. Isn't that weird? The bone helps them open up different kinds of fruits. Just another one of God's amazing animals!
The amazing world of sea stars. Sea stars are marine invertebrates. Often, they have a central disc and 5 arms extending from that disc. Some species of sea stars have 6 to 7 arms, while other species of sea stars have 10 to 15 arms. Sea stars are often brightly colored. Some of the most well-known sea stars are in different shades of orange and red. However, you can find other sea stars that are gray, brown, and even blue. Sea stars can be found in tropical coral reefs, seagrass meadows, tidal pools, and even down 20,000 feet to the deep sea floor. Some of the most common predators of sea stars include sea anemones, crabs, gulls, sea otters, and other fish. To protect themselves from predators, sea stars have substances in their body walls that have unpleasant flavors. Some other sea star species have toxins in their body that can protect them if they are being hunted. One of the coolest things about sea stars is that they can grow back lost arms. In fact, with enough time, they can even regrow an entirely new limb. Regrowing these lost arms or limbs can take several months or years. Isn't that amazing?
Please subscribe to my YouTube page for more fun videos.
Visit us at www.adventuresofscubajack.com to download our amazing Sea Star booklet and try your expertise with our super fun Sea Star quiz.
Everybody and follow me.
From the beach to the cove or in the sea.
It's time for learning, it's time for fun.
It's a great adventure for everyone.
Come on everybody and follow me.
Jump and swim out to the bottom of the sea.
It's time for adventure, fun, and learning.
Scuba Jack. It's a shark attack.
Hey everybody, it's Miss Beth from the Adventures of Scuba Jack. Please comment below and give us a thumbs up if you liked our video with Activity Book. See you soon.
Black panthers inhabit areas of America, Asia and Africa and can be found in rainforests, swamps, savannas, mountains and even deserts. Black panthers are an endangered species because of excessive hunting, loss of natural habitat, environmental pollution, and global warming. They are known as black jaguars in Latin America and black leopards in Asia and Africa, and as the black cougar in North America. Black panthers measure between 7 to 8 feet in length and weigh in at between 100 to 250 pounds. They are carnivores and hunt and eat everything from birds and reptiles to large mammals. Black panthers are solitary animals and will meet only when they mate. Female black panthers have a gestation period of 3 months and will give birth to between 2 to 4 babies, and she will take care of them herself. Newborn cubs are born with their eyes closed and covered with light fur. At the age of between 2 to 3 months, they learn how to hunt from their mother. And then, just 9 months after birth, the young cubs can catch medium-sized prey. Black panthers are very good at climbing trees and learn to do so early in their lives. They have large, strong paws and sharp claws that are used for hunting, and they can leap up to 20 feet and have excellent eyesight and sense of hearing. Black panthers can live up to 12 years in the wild, and in captivity they can live up to 20 years. They mostly hunt at night and are masters at concealment and use every available rock, bush or depression to hide themselves in, so they can get as close as possible to their prey. They will sit and wait silently and cautiously, blending well with the environment around them. And when they stalk their prey, they are able to walk silently and creep up very close. And as soon as they get close enough, they will dash forward and leap on them and grab them with their front paws. A black panther can also hide amongst the tree leaves on a tree branch and then drop down on top of the prey when they pass by. They are able to kill their victims with a single but fatal bite to the neck with their powerful jaws, or simply just strangling their prey with their paws.
और हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि इसी तरह की वीडियो आपको मिलती रहें। जज़ाकल्लाह।